This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Hormel ham. Superior quality, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Heft the lovely ham into our baking dish.
Grease baking dish.
Yes.
I like to keep my glazes very simple because it's about the ham. I'm going with about a half cup of honey, melted butter, brown sugar baby, some stock. So I'm just doing some chicken stock, black pepper.
Alright.
Just a little.
See that? See that? See that?
Just as I said, you prove your ham. This is going in the oven. It's 350 degrees per hour. Take it out. And then we start to apply some grease on it. I've glazed the ham.
Yes.
I push it back in the oven.
Ooh.
And then it takes for another hour, hour and a half.
For the Christmas 2022, we present, oh my word, and look at the sauce.
Okay,
Ooh, yes sir.
Guys, check out Malabar Farms Gourmet Store. Hormel Ham exclusively available at Malabar Farms.